This is the MTTR guidance agent, an executional first operational copilot designed to reduce MTTR, which is mean time to repair, for customer facing production incidents. Many incidents take longer to resolve because ownership becomes unclear, teams repeatedly hands off responsibility, and escalation happens only after delays become severe. This agent immediately at incident detection time enforces a single accountable owner, recommends the next best remediation action, and escalates only when corrective action is not confirmed. As soon as the incident is detected, the MTTR guidance agent evaluates operational execution signals. First, it verifies whether a single accountable owner has been assigned. In this case, ownership has already assigned exists. So the agent proceeds immediately into targeted remediation guidance. Because the incident type is deployment related, the agent recommends rollback actions, health validation, and stabilization checks. Most importantly, the agent requires confirmation that corrective action has actually been executed, not just acknowledged. Now, the agent evaluates escalation conditions using execution behavior instead of time alone. The repair threshold has been crossed and repeated hands off immediate execution instability. The key decision point is whether corrective action has been confirmed. Since no corrective action has been confirmed, the agent escalates immediately, reinforces ownership accountability, and prevents the incident from aging silently. These MTTR guidance agent proves operational execution during the incident itself, not after resolution.